Hello and welcome to the Series and Parallel Circuits Challenge. Have you ever wondered what makes robots move and what's inside those motors and circuit boards? Electronics. The study of the movement of electronics allows us to create devices made by electrical engineers. Here are some words you'll use in this lesson. A conductor allows electricity to flow through. An insulator doesn't allow electricity. Current is the flow of electricity measured in amps. Voltage is how much electricity flows and measured in volts. Resistance is how electricity is used and measured in ohms. A capacitor stores energy. Series circuits are where components come one after another. Parallel circuits are where components branch off to make separate paths. To begin, go to this website. The link is in the description and fill out the background information. Then go to the circuit simulator. You'll complete many activities such as lighting a light bulb, and series and parallel circuits, and drawing your own circuit. Once you're done, think about these questions. Think about the light and wiring in your home. Do you think these devices use series or parallel circuits? What do you think the advantage of series and parallel circuits are? As an electrical engineer, what other components could you use to make more complex circuits? If you enjoyed this activity, try some of the other simulations by UC Boulder. Also learn more about Ohm's law and how voltage, current, and resistance are all related.